Hello, welcome to our channel, Life on the Road with Gertie. We are Jamie and Lisa, and we have been embracing our full-time retirement journey, taking the roads where it may lead us. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's our day off today. Next few days, where are we going?
I don't know, go to Penticton, go for a drive. It's supposed to rain today.
He's the weatherman. Always worried about the weather.
It's very windy.
So where shall we go today? Today it's a little overcast, but that's okay. We're gonna head out. Have some errands to do again in Penticton, and then after that we'll see where the wind blows us. do some overnight camping, maybe at a wreck site. Or crown land as they call it in Ontario. Take you along for the journey. But first...
Coffee.
Oh, yes. Our errands are done, heading out of the city to find a spot for the night. We're parked for the night. Time for the games to begin. Show me your game face. We'll see who wins tonight.
I'm feeling lucky.
Good morning. He kicked my arse last night in Yahtzee. Time for a stop at Le Petit Abile. What an amazing view out here. Holy moly.
You can e-transfer the money.
So just at the side of the little building here is a fridge. We've got all the eggs, spinach, radishes, rhubarb. Oh, we need to get some rhubarb, huh?
Some herbs, cilantro, basil.
We've just bought some fresh basil from the Picker Shack.
Basil.
Time now for us to go visit the cidery.
Not the brewery, the cidery.
Gertie's getting it. Hello. Got a beautiful garden.
Thank you. Yeah.
Whoa.
Loving this little bit of rain we're having.
Exactly.
Doesn't rain here, does it?
No.
The gardens are absolutely beautiful in here.
Take your masks off. So you've been here before. Have you been here before?
She's just told us about this place.
Oh, okay, amazing.
And I did.
Charmat. So this is really beautiful. It's 100% Bartlett pears, which is really lovely. It is our signature. The reason for that is that we actually take the time and we do 2 fermentations with it. So the first fermentation's been done with a little bit of champagne yeast, and then the second fermentation
for
has been done with
introducing us
CO2
to the
injection
cidery.
at the end. So we really wanted this one to be a lot more kind of fresh, acidic on the palate.
Cheers.
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 It smells different.
So this is kind of more like a frizzante or prosecco style versus like the champagne style.
And to Lara, thank you for your expertise,
that has way
knowledge,
more
and friendship.
Oh, sorry. So it is a picnic license. So we we are not actually able to open the bottle for you, which sounds ridiculous, but those are the rules.
There's no problem. Lunch will be served. This beautiful bottle.
Oh, that's so cute. That's perfect. Oh, it's finger foods, right? Yeah. I have like
Making ourselves right at home.
Yeah, now we're talking.
Well,
yeah, that's way better.
let's move this.
Well, we brought some meat.
Oh, we got a bit of everything.
What other cheese did you find?
That was the only one I bought. I was actually shocked at how much good stuff that whole NARAMATA general store has.
No brewery does this for me.
Yeah, they're perfect.
Thing is, here, can you open up your stuff? You have a serviette, we'll put this on.
Yeah, I got
Put that on there. Isn't it? Oh my god, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. Just gonna do the honors.
Yeah. Want to do it?
No, shouldn't. No, that's just a picnic. They're not allowed to open it. So they put an opener there.
Great.
Jamie's gonna do the honors of opening our bottle of cider.
There we
Which one did we get, hun?
This is the blueberry.
Blueberry and apple.
Blueberry and apple, yeah.
Time for our picnic. So we're allowed to bring in our own food. And just purchase the bottle. And we can't wait to dig in. Manja manja. Property surrounding La Petite Ville is spectacular. The views are breathtaking. Many of the fruit tree properties in the NARAMATA Bench area have been going through major changes. They have been seeing when properties change hands, ownership. The apple trees, cherry trees, pear trees on those properties are being ripped out and replanted with grapevines, as it is a more profitable crop. There are still a few properties in this area which are trying to maintain the apple trees, pear trees, cherry trees, and La Petite Ville being one of them.
Bottle number 2.
What's the flavor?
Granny Smith apples and juicy blackberries.
It's a shame the property next door couldn't wait to cut his grass.
This lawnmower now ruining everything.
an awesome time we shared with Joni at the cidery. We highly recommend a stop if you are ever in NARAMATA. Until next time. After leaving the cidery, we decided to take a drive down the side roads to see where they would lead us. We're gonna go look at this little park area down there. Lot for sale, a little over our budget, but we can dream. We found our way to the park down by the water. We're enjoying the golden hour on the beach. Thank you for spending this time with us. We look forward to sharing the forks in the road as we journey on. Take good care of yourselves and each other. Spread the love always, and remember, we're all in this together. Cheers.